Hello, welcome to my channel. We can solve this problem today, and you can see here x plus y equal to 100 and xy equal to 100. Then find xy. So here is equation 1 and 2. Solution. X plus y equal to 100. It is equation 1. And xy equal to 100, equation 2. So from equation 1, x plus y equal to 100, then y equal to 100 minus x, and equation 2 is xy equals to 100. Put y value into equation 2. So here is x 100 minus x equals to 100. 100 into x equals to 100 x minus x into x square equals to 100. Minus x square plus 100x and minus 100 equal to 0. And x square minus 100x plus 100 equals to 0. And we can solve it through formula, and formula is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, and it is into under root upon 2a. And here is a equals to 1, b equals to minus 100, and c equals to 100, and put value into formula. X equals to minus, it is minus, and b value is minus 100 plus minus under root b square. B square means minus 100 square minus 4a, and what is the value of a is 1, and value of c is 100. So put into values and divide by 2a. 2 into a, and what is the value of a? 1. Then here is minus 100 plus 100 plus minus under root, and what is the square of minus 100, and it is square is 0 0 0. 1 4 times 0 minus 4 into 1 4 into 100 400, and divide by 2. Divide by 2, and x equals to 100 plus minus 10,000 minus 400, it means 9600, divide by 2. what is the value of root 9600? 9600 9600 factorization, divide by 2, 4800 divide by 2, 2400 divide by 2, 1200 divide by 2, 600 divide by 2, 300 divide by 2, 150 divide by 2, 75, and then now divide by 3 is 25, and divide by 5, 5, and 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. And what is the factorization of here is, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can write 100 plus minus under root 2 की power 7, 2 की power 7 multiply by 3, here 3, and 5 power 2, and 5 power 2, and divide by 2. And now 100 plus minus 2 की power 6 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 power 2 divided by 2, and x equals to 100 plus minus 2 की power 3 whole square into 5 की power 2 into 2 into 3 divided by 2. X equals to 100 plus minus, here is power 2, here is power 2, power 2, and root, it will be cancelled. So 2 power 3 into 5 under root 2 into 3. And then x equals to 100 plus minus 2 power 3 means 8 into 5 into 6 upon 2. And now you can see, and now x equals to 100 plus minus 100 plus minus 40 root 6 divided by 2. You can see here, you can see again here, x equals to 100 plus minus 8 into 5 root 6 upon 2, and here is x, 8 5 is 40 root 6 upon 2. And now x equals to 100 divided by 2 plus minus 40 root 6 upon 2. 100 divided by 2 equals to 50 plus minus 20 root 6. 20 root 6 x. So here is x. X could be plus and minus. So x equals to 50 plus 20 root 6, or could be x equals to 50 minus 20 root 6. So 50 plus 20 root 6 and 50 minus 20 root 6. You can see here its equation x plus y equal to 100. That is equation 1. And put value into equation number 1. Recall. X plus y equals to 100. X plus y equals to 100. Then what should x equals to 50 plus 20 root 6. 50 plus 20 root 6 plus y equals to 100. Then y equals to 100 minus 50 minus 20 root 6, and y equals to 100 minus 50, 50 minus 20 root 6, and here put x value. So 50 minus 20 root 6 plus y equals to 100, and y equals to 100 minus 50 plus 20 root 6, and answer is y equals to 100 minus 50, 50 plus 20 root 6. So here two values of y and x. So x1 y1, x1 y1, and x1 y1, x1 is this, x1 is this, x1 is this value. So 50 plus 20 root 6 comma and y1, and it is a y. 50 minus 20 root 6, and another value is x2 y2, means this is the x value, this is the x, this is the x value. 50 minus 20 root 6 comma, and this is y. 50 plus 20 root 6. So here is the final answer. So you can see, and what is the answer? X plus y equals to 100 and x y equals to 100, and we solve it. You can see. Thank you so much.